Okay, so I'm just going to talk to you now about this exam question, make sure everyone understands where the answers came from. So as always with these, it's really important that you draw out a Punnett square. Actually click on it. So we're going to draw our little noughts and crosses grid first. And the question says, explain why the baby mice produced using a cross between Stan and Sharon. So I'm going to put those in. Made babies that all had black fur. So we can see that from this diagram over here. So as we can see, Stan is black. So I'm going to give that a capital. And Sharon is white. And the reason why I know that Sharon is therefore a homozygous recessive is because none of the babies are white. And so that tells me that the allele for black fur must be the dominant one, otherwise there would have been some white babies in there. Now, Sharon, if she's got the recessive, she's a homozygous recessive, so she's two little b's. Stan must be homozygous dominant, and again, the reason for that is that there'd be white babies otherwise. So I've worked out the genotypes of Stan and Sharon using the information in the diagram, so I can see what colour their fur is and what colour the baby's fur is. And I've also I understand, because I know my keywords, I know what homozygous and heterozygous mean. So that's how I know what the parents must be. And I can do my cross, which we talked about on a previous video. And I can see that again, because they're actually all heterozygote babies. They're all heterozygotes. But that's okay, because they're still black because they've got that dominant. Now the next question is slightly different. Again, it's saying, I'll do my cross again. This time it's Tom and Sharon. Naughty Sharon. Right, this time you can see that some of the babies are white and some of the babies are black. So again, we know Sharon is that. But this time Tom, in order for there to be some white babies, white is the recessive, so it means it must be a homozygous recessive if it's going to be white. And that means that Tom must be a heterozygote. If he doesn't have a little B allele to give away, then there wouldn't be any white babies. And we know that he's got black fur, and there are some black babies, so he must have the dominant allele as well. So Tom's a heterozygote. And then again, I'll do my cross. And I can see now, that they're my white babies. And of course, these ones are black. So they're heterozygotes, but they've got that dominant allele that they got from Tom, and the recessive allele from Sharon, but the dominant allele indicates that they'll have black fur. The white babies are homozygous recessive. They got the lowercase b, the recessive allele from Tom, and they got the recessive allele from Sharon. So actually there's a 50% chance of having white babies if the dad is a heterozygote. Okay, I hope that helps.